Hey guys, Chris from TrueVan, and today I wanted to take an opportunity to show you how we refill our water tanks while on the road. I just got done taking a shower and we've been out for a few days, and I think it's about time to top off our water tank. So we're going to show you how we take water from a water spigot in public land and put it in our tank. So this is our tank monitoring system inside the Vision X, and it's an electronic system and it's accurate up to the 1%. So if you look here, we're at 54%, 53% freshwater tank capacity. Now this is after being out on the road for several days now, cooking water, washing dishes, showering, flushing the toilet with our black water tank. So we've used water amply over the last several days, and we still have 53%. But we're in the middle of the Mojave Desert right now, and we want to make sure that we're topped off with water. We're here at the visitor center where they do have a water spigot. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure you have a way to transport the water. You could have a hose, but we don't have a hose right now, and the line of water doesn't have a hose. So we're going to sacrifice one of these water jugs that we bought at a Walmart, and we're going to dump this entire water into the freshwater tank. And then we're going to refill this a few times so that we could top off the fresh water. So our 42-gallon freshwater tank is located right underneath the closet space inside the van. But the entry point to filling up that freshwater tank is located right here next to the diesel exhaust. So we're going to pop this open. Right here by the driver's side door, we keep this funnel. And this funnel comes with the Vision X. It's actually grooved specifically for this water entry point, where you have to lock it in place so that you don't have to hold it. Then we just top it off right here. As we finish this bottle, we're going to walk over to the water spigot and refill this bottle. So we just filled up our second jug of water. This is from the water spigot over by the bathrooms in the visitor center, and we're going to use it to fill up our water tank. So we just put in 6 liters of water. We could probably do this several times over, but let's just see from 2 jugs of these what our tank measures at. So we just walked back and forth one time. We've dumped in 6 liters of water so far. It took us from about 54% to 60% of water. So it's going to take us a very long time to just do this. However, in a boondocking situation where you're not tethered to a campground, you're going to have to do things like that. It's all part of the camping fun. But if you're at a campground, the Vision X also comes with a hose tab. This screws in just the same way as the funnel. However, you could attach a hose to this side and to the nozzle of the water spigot, and you could fill up in just a few minutes.